Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my favorite hairstyle, which is the Flexi rod on blowout hair. I just love the results I always get. And so I'm starting off with blow dried hair, and I'm going to use mousse, foaming mousse from Aunt Jackie's, my favorite one. It doesn't dry out my hair at all, but I am going to apply some Camille Rose Curlade Cream butter on the ends of my hair, just because it can be a little challenging to wrap your hair around a flexi rod on blowout hair, because when I do it on wet hair, it's so much more easier to wrap and stay there, but it does unravel quite a bit sometimes. So I am going to add in some butter on that. So what I do is I section my hair row by row, and I take medium-sized sections and I just wrap my hair around a flexi rod into like medium-sized flexi rods. And for me, I feel like it gives me really good curl definition, but it also gives me really good volume at the same time. And yeah, I just kind of wrap my hair around, and the ends are probably the hardest part. I'm gonna try using wrapping papers next time, because I heard that it's really good. It gives you really nice smooth results. But basically, if you just kind of wrap around the flexi rod and you kind of seal it in really well, and you use more product on your ends, you can still get away without using wrapping paper, but it's just going to be more of a challenge, I would say. And what I love about this hairstyle as well is that you don't really need to use that much product, you guys. Like, I use just a foaming mousse, and I notice I get the best results with just using a foaming mousse. Again, you don't really need to use a cream or a butter or even a leave-in conditioner. I do have some conditioner in my hair from when I blow dried my hair, so if you guys want to watch the video on how I did that, I'm going to leave that video in the description box below. But again, like, some videos I have like no butter at all on the ends, and I just use foaming mousse. So I'm always trying to try different ways and different product combinations to see what gives me the best results. But I have done a flexi rod on blowout hair with just foaming mousse, and I got amazing results. So it's very like low maintenance in terms of like putting in the hairstyle. So altogether, you guys, I had about 20 flex rods in my hair, and the good thing also about doing flex rods on blowout hair is that it only takes like less than a day to fully dry, and that's with just air drying my hair, as opposed to on wet hair, it takes more than 2 days, you guys. And I don't have a hooded dryer right now, so I depend on air drying, and so that was a really good plus. And taking it down is super easy. All I do is I kind of put a little bit of oil in my hands, and I just kind of separate the curls. The more you separate, definitely the more volume you get. And you can also just back comb your hair with an afro pick to get more volume. And so that's kind of what I did here. And yeah, so then I go ahead and I fluff it out. And so sometimes my hair, depending on the products I had prior, my hair definitely does usually look more flat sometimes if I used heavier products. So I definitely feel like the butter probably has something to do with that as well, because sometimes I get way more volume on first day hair. And so because I wanted more volume on first day hair, I just put my hair in a nice little cute like side swept hairstyle. And then after that, like the day after, I had more volume, and so I wore it out like that. And so yeah, it's such a cute hairstyle, you guys, and it actually does last quite a bit. And let me know in the comments below, how do you guys like the way it turned out, and how do you guys get a perfect flexi rod set? I would love to hear you guys' suggestions. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys like flexi rod sets better on wet hair, or do you like it better on blowout hair? Because I feel like it's a big major difference. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.